Shout out to BeastGrip.
Secondly, I want to shout out to Boya or Boya. I'm sorry if I don't know how to say the name right, but I bought this microphone over the weekend, and I'm telling you, it is great. I can use it with my DSLR. I can use it with my phone. It's great, so that's why I'm doing it. All right, the microphone comes with a furry windshield. Off top, it comes with this. The microphone itself doesn't need any batteries. It connects right on. Put one of these TRSs on, and you're good to go. The shock mount, and this cool bag. It's a little leather bag that you put the stuff in if you like to, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to assemble it together. Don't take much assembly. All you have to do, slide this in. It's going to be a little tough. It's okay. Don't kill it. Just barely pop it in. You're good to go. The windshield is right here. Just slide it over the top, like so. Looks just like that. They've dedicated one cord just right for the phones. It has a little phone tag on there if you can kind of see it right there. This one's for your phones. This one is for your DSLRs, any other type of video camera, everything else. I really don't think that it really matters which one you use, but I guess they want to give you two and dedicate it to one or the other, which is cool. That was my quick little wrap up about these products. I'll probably be doing a little bit more because I'm going to add more to my rig. Again, this is for my iPhone 7 Plus, photography and videography. Thanks for watching. Again, shout out to BeastGrip. This is one right now with me without the microphone in. This is me with the microphone. Like I said, it has not, as long as you have a little hot shoot, slide it right on, screws down perfectly, easily. It's a good little microphone. That was my quick little wrap up about these products. I'll probably be doing a little bit more because I'm going to add more to my rig. Again, this is for my iPhone 7 Plus, photography and videography. Thanks for watching.